Hi, Boomer. Who's holding Boomer?
Me.
Really tight. See, I told you, don't let go. If you let go, Boomer's gonna run away. And Boomer might get hit by a car. Then you're in trouble. And you're gonna lose Boomer. Okay?
Can you push this so I can, so Boomer.
This?
Yeah. Hey.
Hold the both hand. Oh, okay. Hold in both hands. It's a nice day, huh, Daddy? Yeah. Hey, be careful. Hey, Boomer, come here. You make it longer or shorter?
It's good. Oh!
Oh, it's like a fishing, huh? You fishing, Boomer?
Can you go get the back one so I can go fishing?
Hey, use both hands to hold.
Hold it. I'm going to go inside and
Okay.
get the black one.
Okay. Hey, Boomer. Hey, what are you eating, Boomer? What you got, Toma?
Got it.
You got the black leash? Okay.
Yeah. No, it's my black leash.
That's your black leash?
No. Go hook this one up to Boomer.
Oh, okay. Well, tell Boomer to come here.
Come here, Boomer. No.
Okay. Give me the black one.
There's
Okay.
We're both hit.
Yeah, we got it. Okay. Let me go. Get first. Say bye-bye, Boomer.
Bye-bye, Boomer Ringer.